The way it whips that tail around.
Is that a defense system?
I don't know.
There's a huge...
It's in there first. The tail's in there first. Get another hole? Let's see.
It's huge.
Wow.
And there's another big one too.
Wow.
I don't know if there's anything in it.
Wow. That is a big hole. Wow, it goes way in there. That goes in more than 2 inches straight in.
Oh shit. Are you done with your drink?
Yeah, that is 2 inches in. Yeah, that ain't coming out. Here's another white one. Look at this one. So it's more like a larva. It's several inches long.
Oh, that's a larva. It's just developing into the creature.
Yeah, look at it. Look.
Oh yeah.
It's got eyes.
Oh yeah.
It's looking right at me.
These chicken would love those. I would imagine.
Wow. Yeah, he's looking right at me. So it's turning into the larva, or it's the larva turning into the other thing?
Larva turning into a creature.
The black ones.
Yeah, of course. They said it's a several-year process.
You need your phone so it can focus.